Alright, so today, guys, is a very special video episode, whatever you want to call it. Today, I'm going to be debuting my merch. I'm really excited about it. I put a lot of thought into this, and I'm gonna be reviewing all of my merch for you guys so you understand the meaning behind it, what's the purpose of it, and see if you can actually wear it, because I'm gonna be honest, there's two different categories. The first category is the politically correct, or the PC, or pussy, the one that you could wear with minimal to no confrontation. And the other section is the not safe for work, and that one is a lot more incendiary. It's liable to get you into problems. But to start off, we're gonna start off with the politically correct ones, okay? The ones that won't get you in any type of trouble or danger, all right? Cool. First one. This one is called "The Game Must Be Played." Now, the idea behind this shirt is a very simple idea. Life is a game. We're living in a simulation, the Matrix, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But if you treat life like a game, if you want to get ahead, if you want to become the best version of yourself, the goal of the game is to win, right? And a lot of the times, a lot of the things that you have to do in life to progress involve some type of game, whether it be social, financial, physical, doesn't matter. At the end of the day, the game must be played. Now, you know, for my gamers out there, this would be effective for you, but also for men who understand that if you want to get ahead in life, you got to play the game. You have to. The best way to play the game is to understand the rules, understand how to move properly, and that's how you'll excel. But at the end of the day, the game must be played. Next one we got is called the cheat code. And basically this is a cheat code to life, and this goes into the same vein of the video game idea. Life is a video game. Max out all of your stats. And the same premise, if you treat life like a video game and you are a playable character, you want to make sure that you are the best character that you can be. You want to increase your strength, your agility, your intelligence, your dexterity, your charisma, your wisdom, right? Your pockets. You want to make sure that you are the best created player that you can be in the game, because you will have the most advantages. And it'll be a lot easier for you to win, a lot easier for you to beat the game, okay? Next one, we got the pre-workout. Don't fight your demons, use them. Now, why did I choose this? Well, the point of this is that a lot of times people go through shit. It's a part of life. You go through heartbreak, you go through pain, death, suffering, some type of hardship or trial or tribulation. When you're going through these things, you're kind of at war within yourself. You're fighting against the negativity, trying to combat it. And my message is basically saying that that is the wrong idea to have. You do not want to fight against the negative energy, because negative energy is necessary, just like positive energy is. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, just transferred, right? So you don't want to try to put even more energy into fighting against the negativity. No, use the negative energy as fuel for something constructive. Whether it's positive energy or negative energy, if it all is used uniformly towards some type of constructive goal, some type of way to improve or better yourself, you always win. You always win. The next one we have, I call the wake-up call. All right. Now, a lot of men are taught to be safe, be cautious, be careful. But if you want to be a man of value, a man that is respected, then what you should be is dangerous. So as you can see, stay safe is crossed out, and then you have stay dangerous. Leave staying safe to the woman, okay? It's the woman's job to stay safe. And you know the best way she can stay safe? If she has a dangerous man to protect her. And the best way to stay dangerous is to become dangerous. How do you become dangerous? Well, I made a video about that, so feel free to check that out. But you just have to become a formidable man in every facet that you can be. whether it's physical, mental, financial, become dangerous. Next one we got, I call the delayed gratification. So this is for all my people who are grinding on their goals, on their purpose. They understand that you must grind in order to succeed. They understand the value of time. They understand the value of waiting to receive the fruits of your labor. This is just a nice reminder for everyone who's grinding. You live in squalor for a little bit, and you live lavish for a lot of it. So basically, the point of it is, you hustle now, you grind now, you persevere, blood, sweat, and tears, and at the end of it, you succeed. You win, but you gotta put in the work. You have to understand and ingrain in your mind the concept of delayed gratification. And this is a great reminder that as long as you continue on your path and keep your goals in sight, you will win. All right, so that was all the PC or politically correct shirts that you should have no fear of wearing in public. Now we got to the not safe for work, okay? These ones will definitely get you in trouble. Let's start off with the first one. Now this one I call the wedding gift. The reason why I call it that is because if your wife, girlfriend, fiance, whatever, gets you this shirt, she is a keeper. But if you have to get it for yourself, I mean, I guess that's okay too. This shirt can be worn for people who are single or who are married. It doesn't matter. As you can see, happy wife, happy life is crossed out. And under that, we have happy king, happy kingdom. What does that mean? The premise is that happy wife, happy life. If she's happy, she benefits as your wife. But if you're happy, everyone benefits. You are the leader. You are in charge. You are the one who is responsible for the family's well-being. Your happiness is the most important factor in the family's functionality and the family's productivity. If you are happy, if you are good, everyone else will be good. Everyone else benefits. So never prioritize your wife's happiness over your own, because if you're happy, your wife will benefit anyway. But if she's happy, only she benefits, and that's not a good way to live within a marriage. If you are married and you have a family, you're the king. It's your castle. Remember that. Next up, we have my personal favorite, the alpha life equation. Purpose over pussy. Why? Why is that important? Well, if you want to be an alpha male, you don't just say it. In fact, you never say it. It's something you are called, not something that you declare, right? But the best way for you to be called that is if you put your purpose, your goals, your ambitions over carnal desire, because that gives you a level of strength that you wouldn't have normally. Most men are slaves to their desires. Most men will compromise their entire life for a scrap, a crumb of pussy, for the possibility of some pussy, bro. You are stronger than that, or you should be at least. And if you ever forget how to be in control, how to become an alpha, how to become a leader, this is the only math equation you'll ever need to know. Purpose over pussy. Always. Now, as you notice, pussy's still there. So you can still get it, okay? But this comes first. Always. Remember that. The next one we have, I call the ball-de-sac. Coined from the phrase cul-de-sac, or the word cul-de-sac, meaning if you do not have your balls, you cannot wear this shirt. Meaning if you're in a relationship where you are not the leader, where it's 50-50, it's a partnership, she doesn't respect you, you can't wear this shirt. I'm sorry, you can't. But if you got your nuts, you can wear it. If you are the leader, you can wear it. Because I guarantee you, someone that sees you with this shirt is gonna find it offensive. I'm sorry, bro, but we live in this PC culture. It is what it is. Anyway, as you can see, it says my love language at the top, and then it has all the bullshit that the ladies say crossed out. And right under that, it says respect underlined. Because as a man, the only way you will feel loved is if you are respected. That's just how we are. That's how we're wired. You don't need all this. In fact, this will be a byproduct of this. But this is essential. Respect first. All this other shit, that comes later. You can have all of this. Respect is paramount for a man. So your love language, respect. That's the best way that you can have a good relationship, if she respects you. This next shirt is for men who do not understand women and who do not know how to operate with women or to deal with women. If you ever wonder, or if you're ever at a loss about how to act or how to behave, remember this one fact. She wants a king, not a knight. What does that mean? Well, what are knights? Knights are men who take care of the woman, put their needs before their own, are polite, nice. Knights are servants. They're servants to the kingdom. What are kings, though? Kings are rulers. If you're dealing with a woman and you act like a knight, she will use you. But if you're dealing with a woman and you act like a king, she will submit to you. Because a knight's woman is a maiden. A king's woman is a queen. Now, which would the woman rather be? A knight's maiden or a queen? So when you deal with women, have the mentality that you are in charge. You're the king. Kings rule. Knights serve. Do not be her servant. Be her ruler. Be her king. And that is the best way that you will get the most out of the woman that you're dealing with. So, she wants a king, not a knight. Remember that. Now we're getting to the last design that I have. It's a trilogy. I call it the drought. The reason why I call it the drought is because if you wear this and you do not have any pussy already, you're likely to be in a drought because you can't wear this and pull bitches. I'm sorry. And also, just like with the ball-to-sack shirt, you gotta have your nuts because this will definitely cause you some problems. I promise you. If you don't have your nuts, you can't wear this. I'm serious. I'm not joking. And I don't include nuts in the packaging, okay? Nuts not included in all of the descriptions. Nuts not included. All right? Please do not wear this shirt if you are not ready to wear this shirt. Just maybe frame it. Keep it in your closet for a rainy day. Or wear it in your house where no one else can see it. But I wouldn't wear it in public if you're not prepared to deal with the consequences. My wife wouldn't wear that. That is in red. Next one. My wife wouldn't say that. As you can see, that is once again in red. So how you're gonna say it is my wife wouldn't say that. Last one, of course. My wife wouldn't do that. Now, what is the point behind these shirts? Well, in the society that we live in today, majority of women are not wifey material. They're not. Not really. From the way they act, to the way they dress, to the way they speak, they're just not wifey material. They're not. So, when you wear this shirt, you are letting others know that your wife, wherever she is, wherever she may be, doesn't do that, doesn't say that, and doesn't wear that. Now, women are going to definitely take offense to your shirt, even though it's about you. I know. The women are weird like that. So when you wear this shirt, be cognizant because you may run into a few Karens, some ratchets. Just be careful. If you are not careful, this can cause a slew of confrontations and controversy and stuff like that. So, like I said, nuts not included. So, be careful. All right. If you're married and your wife does do things that are not nice, well, then you might not be able to wear it. But if your wife does follow these things, then you can wear this with impunity. You can wear this comfortably. All right. But like I said before, single women, older women, bitter women, they will take offense. So just be careful. All right, that was all of the merch that I have created. There's going to be a link in the description. Feel free to look at that. They are all pretty reasonably priced. I know niggas ain't balling, right? They're not expensive. I am really excited about these shirts. I can't wait to wear them everywhere. And the whole point of these shirts is not to cause a ruckus or to make a statement. I made these shirts specifically so that when you look at them, when you wear them, you will understand that being a man is fine. There's nothing wrong with being a man. I know people want to make it seem like you shouldn't, make it seem like it's the wrong way to be. But my guy, being a man is fucking awesome. And I want you to remember that every time you put on any one of these shirts. Because all I want to do is make you guys become the best versions of yourself. That's what's most important to me. That's what's most important to me. Yeah. Check out the merch. Worked really hard on it. I'm really proud of it. I'll be wearing it because I love them. Make sure to comment and tell me which one is your favorite. Hit me up on Instagram. I also got a Twitter now. All that stuff is in the description. You're welcome.